Welcome back to DCTC. This is Amy Jo, and I am hanging out with Seth today, and I thought it would be fun to do a video together. What do you think, Seth?
I think it sounds like an awesome idea.
Woo! All right, let's open up some eggs. Woo woo! Seth, it looks like you put some Play-Doh on the sides of this Play-Doh can to look like a choo-choo train.
Yes, I did. Those are his little wheels.
Ah, very clever. So, do you mind if I open this guy first?
I think you should.
All right. I have never opened a Chuggington egg, so I am looking forward to this. Have you ever opened one, Seth?
No, but I'm quite interested in that chocolate if you want to give me that.
You guys, Seth loves to eat the chocolate from the chocolate eggs. Here you go, Sethy. Uh-oh. Yes. I revealed your nickname. I called you Sethy. Are you okay with that? Oh, my goodness. Something just went flying. Maybe, Seth, it was a wheel. Oh, no. Okay, Seth is going to look for that while we check out the inside of this egg. I think he found it. Did you find it? All right, so here are all of the different trains that come in these eggs. I don't know why we got two wrappers, but we did. Okay, so now, let's see if I can put this little choo-choo train together. Now, I do not know the names of the Chuggington trains, so I don't know if you guys do. If you do, maybe you will leave us a comment and let us know. Okay, so, it looks like I need to put the wheels in first. All right, here we go. We'll piece those two together. By George, I think I've got it. Woo-woo! Actually, that's not an engine, so it wouldn't woo-woo! And I know we have another Chuggington egg. Maybe we'll get something. This is the little coupler. Maybe we'll have something to couple it to.
I think it looks nice. It's kind of like a Twinkie.
It is like a Twinkie. All right, Sethy, you're up.
All right, I'm going to put the Twinkie train right over here.
Twinkie train.
And I want to check out this Donald Duck egg.
I know, I was just going to say you made him a little beret.
I'm going to put it down over here. It looks like a tadpole now. All right.
Or a turtle with tail with no head.
Exactly.
Exactly. Ba-dum.
So let me get this chocolate out of here. Oh.
All right. That looks like nice, yummy chocolate.
Yes. Oh, it feels awesome.
Sometimes I open them and I'm like, there's no way it's fit for human consumption.
All right. Who do we got? Oh, I know this guy's name. His name is Gyro, I think.
He's thinking. Look, he's got his thinking cap on.
Yes. I think his name might be on this card here. Let me see if I can. See. Is this a cheat sheet? No. Can you guys read this? I can't. Oh my goodness. All right. Well, I think his name is Gyro or something with a gear.
Okay. If it's not though, you guys tell us, okay?
Yes, please tell us.
So smart. Our viewers are so smart. I am going to go for the Kinder Surprise, the Hot Wheels style. Now, I don't think Seth will mind if I share this with you. Kinder chocolate is his favorite.
It's got like two awesome flavors. You got the milk chocolate and then there's white chocolate on the inside.
That's right. So see, the white on the inside, chocolate on the outside make the Kinder Surprise eggs the most delicious of all the eggs. And we have a super cool orange race car. Before we put it together, let's take a look. Looks speedy, doesn't it? Okay, so here is the one we got, and here are all of the others. So, you know what? This looks like really easy to put together.
Hey, there you go.
Woo! Okay, here is our race car all stickered up and ready for action. Let's see if it's fast. It looks fast, doesn't it?
You think it's faster than the Twinkie car?
I don't know. Let's race. Let's race. You ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh! Maybe they can crash.
All right, guys, Amy's car is pretty cool, so I think I'm going to have to open up my own Hot Wheels car. Let's see. I hope I get one that's like green. Green is one of my favorite colors. Look, I got a green one! Oh my gosh, it's green and black. That is super cool. I couldn't have asked for anything better. Look at that, guys. How lucky am I? It's kind of a tealish color, but still, I'm going to say it's green. Here's another closer look, and I put the stickers on. There's some stickers too on the back, but you can't really see them. But still, this is a super cool car. And here's Amy's.
Nicely done on that last one, Seth. I am going... Uh-oh. I messed that little Play-Doh hat up. Okay, so I'm going to do another Donald Duck egg. And hopefully we won't get a duplicate. Look. Crack. You might have to help me, Seth.
Chocolate. Chocolate.
Oh, no way. How weird is that? We got a duplicate.
Twinsies.
That's right. We got twinsies. Okay, so we have gyro and gyro. Okay, so that's kind of a dud. Wah, 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 wah.
All right, so I have one Chuggington egg left. Let's see.
I hope we don't get another duplicate.
No Twinkie train for me.
Right. Maybe you'll get like an engine or something cool to pull our little Twinkie train around.
Yes. Or a caboose. Oh, wait, what do we got?
Oh, nice.
I think I did get the tank engine. Let's see.
I think you did.
Oh, these little wheels are tricky, huh? Please be nice. Yes. Yes. Oh, I got it.
Nice.
I think I got it. Okay.
Okay, so now we'll get the other one. And you can
I will pull
them.
you along. Or
So we better move.
Oh!
Oh!
Okay, guys, let me retry that again. All right, guys, so we got our coupler working, and now I can pull along the Twinkie. Choo-choo. That is awesome.
Okay, guys. Well, that's it for this video. I had a lot of fun doing this with you, Seth.
Yeah, it was really fun.
And we got a lot of goodies, too. So maybe we'll do it again. If you guys want to see us do another video together, you can click on the like button to let us know.
Also, leave us a comment and tell us what your favorite toy was.
All right. This is Amy Jo.
And Seth, and thanks
for watching.
Another video, that's the end.
Come back soon or we'll miss you, friend.
DCTC. We do toy reviews. DCTC.
And we play with Play-Doh, too.
Skits, pranks, eggs and toys.
We make videos for girls and boys.
That's right.